I'm not sure which lighting looks better, so this is just like natural light with 2 box lights, and then this is with my ring light. I don't know which I like better. I think this lighting is probably better, huh? Okay, let's go with it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really exciting one. It is going to be my FabFitFun fall unboxing video. I have no idea what's inside of here. I'm so excited. So if you guys are not familiar what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box where you get a ton of full-size products. You pay, so the box is usually $49.99 a month, but you can use my coupon code. It's just my name, VALPAC. I will leave it linked down below for you guys, and you can get $10 off your first box. So you will get your box for $39.99, and I'm telling you guys, there's over $200 worth of products in these boxes. I have worked with FabFitFun before. I will link all my other videos with them down below. I'm always honest. I say this in every single video that I talk about other products, but you guys should know by now I'm very honest. So I love FabFitFun. I highly recommend trying them. It's so exciting to get this at your doorstep because there's so many products in here that are so useful between fashion, makeup, beauty, lifestyle, all good things. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below if you guys want to see more of my videos. I'm just starting to do some vlogs, so I'm really excited to do that with you guys so you can see more of my life. But if you guys want to see what is in my fall box, then let's just jump right in. When you open it up, it's always packaged so nicely. So this is what the box looks like. It has this really pretty kind of fall print on the box, and then you get your little catalog. Woo, girl, it's heavy. You get your little catalog in here where it has all the products, the prices, what you can use them for, its benefits, and all that. So here is the little catalog. I don't want to look inside because I don't want to know what's in the box yet. But you also get little coupon cards in here too. This is what it looks like. You have a little leaf to keep it shut. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. I have no idea what is inside, but it looks like there is a ton of goodies in here, you guys. Look at this. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, starting off, I'm going to start off with these little sheet masks. So this is by Glam Glow. Glam Glow is a really popular brand. You can get them in Sephora and other places, and they're really good skincare. So this is their Hollywood Glam Glow Bubble Sheet, and it is their deep cleansing mask. So I'm really excited to use these. So you get 2 of these. See inside the magazine how much. I don't want to see what else is in here, but alright, so these retail for $18. I don't know if it's 2 for $18 or if they're $18 each. I'm guessing it's 2 for $18, but it says watch it activate into a tingling 3D bubble experience. The micro bubbles instantly. Oh, that sounds really interesting. Like little bubbles on your face. It says it's supposed to reveal a glowy, deeply purified complexion. And it says to place the mask onto damp skin, leave on for 3 minutes. Once removed, massage the remaining bubbles and rinse. I'm so excited. I've been really into skincare lately and trying new products, so I'm really looking forward to trying these, especially because Glam Glow is a really nice brand. I love their products. That's really exciting. Oh boy, guys, I see a beauty blender in here. It's like Christmas. Okay, so this is really cool. So beauty blenders are all over the market. These hit the market so many years ago and went viral, and so many people love them. So this retails for $20. I actually needed a new one, so this is awesome. I really love beauty blenders. I just think they blend out your makeup so good. I used a beauty blender today to blend out my makeup. I know there's a lot of affordable sponges now in the market that are very similar to the beauty blender. For a while, no other brand was doing it. They were all too hard, too stiff. They wouldn't get smushy. They wouldn't get soft and blend makeup out, but now there are so many good sponges on the market, but I still think the Beauty Blender is my favorite. I don't know, something about it, it just blends makeup out amazing. So if you guys have not tried beauty blenders yet, and you are starting to get into makeup, or you even just do quick foundation, you would love, love, love this. So I highly, highly recommend trying the Beauty Blender. It's amazing. They have so many different colors. I just think it's an amazing product. So that is awesome that you get that in this month. That's so exciting. So next up I see this guy right here, and this is by Skin & Co. This is their shower gel, and it says with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Let's see what it smells like. It has a very like earthy scent to it. I'm someone that likes more like sweet kind of floral scents when I'm in the shower, but I'm gonna give it a try and see what I think about it. So if you really love like earthy smelling scents, I think you would really like this. Let's see, so this retails for $22. It does say it's a multi-purpose shower gel, and it has, that's what it is. It has like, I smell lemon in it. It does have a really fresh kind of like lemony, like, I really don't know how to explain it, but it does have like a very like earthy smell to it. So I am excited to try this though, because it's exciting trying new shower products. So that's that. Next up we have, I see like some food in here. Like, see, you literally get everything. Food, shower stuff, makeup, it's awesome. So this is by Luna. I love Luna bars. They're so freaking good. So this is the cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. That sounds really good. And this is salted caramel. I love Luna, so I will definitely be eating this. And I don't know how much they retail for, because I think you usually buy them by the box. But I know you can find Luna bars in like your local grocery store, and I'm sure you can find them on Amazon like in a big box. But that's freaking awesome. I love that they put food in here. Moving on, I see this little guy here, and this is their Do It All Total Eye Cream. I love getting eye creams. My under eyes get so dry, and especially because we're putting on so much makeup, well I am, and you're putting on all that concealer and it's really just drying out my under eyes. This retails, let me just get it out of the box here. Oh my god, the packaging, you guys, is so cute. It has like this bamboo like little lid here, and this retails for $38. It says fine lines and dark circles be gone. That is a lot to promise. This moisturizing eye cream helps minimize visible signs of aging, stress, fatigue, while reducing the appearance of dark circles. I'm really excited to use this. It really doesn't have a scent to it, which I actually enjoy, because when I'm using eye creams, I don't want any kind of fragrance, because it does irritate my under eyes if it does. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. I love getting skincare, and it's so important to use products for your under eyes, because one day we're just gonna wake up and be like, what the fuck happened? Okay, moving on here. Next up in the box we have, it looks like some headphones here. This is by the brand CeeLo, I don't know how to pronounce that. Bluetooth wireless earbuds in black or white, and I did get the black ones. It looks like they have like rose gold on them too. These retail for $40, and it says, I do have wireless Beats, and I love them, but sometimes they can be really bulky. That's the only thing about Beats, is they can be a little bulky. I might put these in a giveaway, because I do have my Beats and I love them so much, but I might end up using these because sometimes it's nice to have like a smaller earbud. I might put these in a giveaway though, so we'll have to see, but that's awesome. Again, you're getting so many different options in the box. It's not just makeup. Moving on, we still have some goodies in here. So this right here is a polishing facial exfoliant in pink grapefruit. This is by the brand Grown Alchemist. So let's see how much this retails for. It retails for $67, which means that it's probably going to be a good product. So this actually feels like really cool. I don't know how to explain it, and it feels like thick. I am so excited to try this. I really love to exfoliate my skin because I do have like little chicken skin bumps that I get like in this area. So I do like to exfoliate a lot because it really smooths my skin out. So you just take the cap off and you pop the little seam here. I just want to put a little bit on the back of my hand just to see. Ooh, this feels like it's going to be so exfoliating. It does have like, you can definitely smell the pink grapefruit. It almost has like a minty smell to it as well. So I don't know if you guys are going to even be able to see that, but it's just like a white kind of consistency, but it does have like little exfoliating beads in it, and it feels like it's going to be really, really nice. It feels like it's going to be really cooling on the skin from what I can like feel it on my hand. and also the smell of it. I feel like it's going to be so refreshing feeling. So I am pumped to use that. Oh my gosh. Alright, next up in the box we have this big old guy. So this is a French press coffee maker. To be honest, I don't make my own coffee. I usually get my coffee from like Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks. So I'm not like big on making coffee. So this is what it looks like. This is very interesting. I don't know how this works. I would definitely have to do some research on this, but this is what it looks like. It says trendy LA coffee shop Alfred Coffee is making it so easy to brew the perfect cup of joe with this stainless steel coffee press. It says use filtered water. So I really don't know how this works. I'm guessing you put the beans in and you press them. I don't freaking know. I don't make my own coffee, so I have no clue, but I think this is really cool. All you coffee lovers out there, this would be such a cool thing to get, or even a gift to give. So these boxes are also really cool gifts. So if you just want to like get a box and just give out these gifts individually for Christmas, I think that's such a good idea. I know I'm already talking about Christmas, but let's be real, it's gonna come up real quick. So this is something so cool to give as a Christmas present. So that's also a good thing to keep in mind, that you can give these presents individually. Moving on, we have, oh, this is cute. This is a towel. I'm guessing this is like a kitchen towel. So let's see here. So this is the Simple Whimsical Tea Towels. This set features 2 playful gray patterns that are sure to perk up your mood every time you walk into the kitchen. They retail for $14.99. So there are 2 here. These are actually like a really cute pattern. I love light colors inside of a home. I think it makes everything so like bright and cozy. So I will definitely be putting these in the kitchen. I think they are so cute. All right, moving on, we have this little guy in here, and these are, oh, this is a brush set. So this is by the brand Crown, and this is their 6-piece brush set in black and rose gold or silver. So I don't know which color I got. Let's find out. Okay, so I did get the silver. So this looks like a pretty legit brush set. You get like an all-over face brush, a angled brush. It looks like a kind of like shader brush here, and a crease brush. You get a little angled brush, and it looks like a more kind of like flatter brush. So this retails for $75. This is such a good thing to have. You can bring this to travel with you if you are someone that travels a lot. You have the little brush roll, and you have just like your basic brushes that you would need. You could find a way to make all of these brushes work doing your whole face, I feel like. For sure. You could use this as like a powder brush, bronzer brush. You could use this as a blush brush, contour brush, eyeshadow brushes, an eyeliner brush. Like, there are so many things you can do with these. I love receiving brushes. You can never have too many. And I think that this is just like a great little set to have. Let me see how the brushes feel though. So these actually feel pretty nice. I will say they're like very lightweight. They're not heavy. The handle is definitely very lightweight, which is nice. They feel really soft. I don't want to like touch it to my face because, again, this might be something that I can gift to someone, or I might just use them myself. I haven't decided yet, but so yeah, that's awesome. So that was everything that I got in my fall box. FabFitFun does let you customize some of the items, so you can pick through some of the items that you want to be in your box. I think that's a really cool option to have. I'm really excited to use all these products, you guys. There's not one thing in this box that I did not like. I'm really excited to try these products. Let me know down below if you guys are gonna pick up your box and what you guys get in your box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!